Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video we'll be learning how to avoid wrong shifting while driving a manual car. So if you are driving a manual car, then you may have a problem of selecting the wrong gears while you are driving, while you are shifting the gears. And if you select the lower wrong gear, you will rev your car unnecessarily, and if you select the higher wrong gear, you will stall your car. That's because you do not know the correct way to place your palm on the gear lever and the correct way to shift the gears. That's the reason why you are selecting the wrong gears. So in this video, we'll be learning how to place your palm on the gear lever and correct way of shifting the gears so that you will never ever have to select the wrong gears again while you are driving. So before I jump straight into video, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. So let's get POV driving and we will learn in details. So guys, let's put the car in first gear. So to engage the first gear is on the left. So we will press the clutch first. So first gear is on the left, so we'll press our palm on the right side like this and applying pressure to the left, and first gear is on the front, so we will push the gear lever to the front. Now the first gear is engaged. Slowly release the clutch. So in order to shift into second gear is also on the left side, so the same thing, we will press our palm on the right side of the gear lever and pull the gear lever to the back, straight back, by applying pressure on the left side. Now second gear is engaged. Now to upshift into third gear is on the center and on the front. So first of all, we will bring the gear lever to the center and then we will push the gear lever to the front. Press the clutch, bring the gear lever to the center and push the gear lever to the front. Now the third gear is engaged. So if you want to upshift into fourth gear is on the center and on the back, so you should not apply pressure on the neither on the left nor on the right. Simply pull the gear lever to the back and the fourth gear will be engaged. Press the clutch, pull the gear lever straight back. Now the fourth gear is engaged. So guys, this is how you shift the gears correctly. If you use this palming method, then you will never ever select the wrong gears again. So now the car is in fourth gear. If I want to downshift into third gear is straight to the front. So place your palm on the top of the gear lever, press the clutch and push the gear lever to the front straight. Now the third gear is engaged. Now I am on third gear, so let me increase the speed of my car a little bit. So again, if I want to upshift into fourth, simple push the gear lever to the back, place your palm on the top of the gear lever, push the gear lever to the back. Now the car is in fourth gear. So guys, if you want to select the fifth gear is on the right side, so we will press our palm on the left side, bring the gear lever to the center and then by applying pressure on the right and then to the front. Now the fifth gear is engaged. So guys, this is how you shift the gears correctly using the palming method. If you follow this technique, you will never ever have to select the wrong gears again while you are shifting the gears. So this was all for today's video. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.